everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about 20 amazing facts about the human body. Please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing facts. Number 1. Nose. The human nose can distinguish over 1 trillion different scents. Number 2. Brain. The human brain is the most energy-consuming organ, accounting for about 20% of the body's total energy usage. Number 3. Heartbeats. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood. Number 4. Eye. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Number 5. Skin. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, covering an average of about 20 square feet. Number 6. Jaw muscle. The strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter, the jaw muscle. Number 7. Iron. The human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail. Number 8. Skin cells. Humans shed and regrow outer skin cells about every 27 days. Number 9. Stomach digestive. Your stomach's digestive acids are strong enough to dissolve zinc. Fortunately, the stomach lining continuously renews itself. Number 10. Carbon. The human body contains enough carbon to produce graphite for about 9,000 pencils. Number 11. Saliva. The average person will produce enough saliva in their lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. Number 12. Blood vessels. If all the blood vessels in your body were laid end to end, they would stretch about 60,000 miles. Number 13. Bone. The human bone is 5 times stronger than steel, ounce for ounce. Number 14. Tears. Humans are the only animals that shed emotional tears. Number 15. Thoughts. The human brain can generate about 70,000 thoughts on an average day. Number 16. Bones. Babies are born with 300 bones, but by adulthood, the number reduces to 206 bones. Number 17. Ears. Your ears never stop growing throughout your lifetime. Number 18. Liver. The liver is the only organ in the human body that can regenerate itself. Number 19. DNA. The human DNA, if stretched out, would reach to the moon and back about 6,000 times. Number 20. Tongue print. Every person has a unique tongue print, much like fingerprints. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures with our